welcome to my vlog, Charot. Well, welcome to my co-winner. So today, I decided to make a review on the bag that I just got a couple of days ago. It's from Parisa Wang. Thank you sa kaibigan kong bad influence na si Trizia Casimiro. So, okay. So, we got the first, I want to show you the dust bag. The dust bag pa lang is ano na siya. Very, natin din nag-unboxing yan. Ganda siya. Okay, now, this is the Carry tote bag. So we will, ang maganda sa kanya, it's like grained pulp na finished. So we will try to put, ano mailalagay natin sa kanya. See? Yan. So, we'll start with our laptop. So, oh, perfect. It does fit. And we will transfer my stuff in my new bag. So, I have some invites here. Lotion. I have wallet. Contact lens container. My keys. And some of my pens. And some perfumes. Perfume lang pala. Tapos, AirPods, contact lenses, and some of the resibo. So, now, yan. Ano na natin siya. Oh, it's very handy. Let's remove it. Ay, nawala ako sa ano. Yan. So, it's very nice. You can put it like a crossbody as well. Pero pangit siya pag crossbody, para kang ano, hindi siya maganda. It's not giving. So, we'll put it back. It's like a shoulder. So, yan. This is what we got. So, thank you, Parisa Wang. Para man nag-sponsor. Di naman nag-sponsor, di ba? But, it's a good bag. It's a good work bag. It comes with different colors. So, please do check out their website, Parisa Wang, New York. And, yeah, they ship in the States for free. But in Canada, there's a flat rate of $35. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. Bye, co-winners!